In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the navigation bar on Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Whether you're refreshing your website's look or simply organizing your content, knowing how to modify the navigation bar can greatly enhance your site's functionality and appearance. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account. After navigating to the Squarespace homepage, look for the login option and click it. If you have multiple ways to log in, choose the one most convenient for you. In our case here, we're going to continue with Google for a quick sign-in process. By doing this, you'll be directed to a list of your Squarespace websites if you manage more than one. Find and click on the website you'd like to update. This step is crucial as it brings you to the main dashboard of your specific website, where you can manage all aspects of your site. Now direct your attention towards the left-hand side of your screen where the menu is. You're going to want to click on Edit. This action opens up the editing mode where you can make changes to the design of your pages and the navigation bar. Once you're in the editing mode, focus your gaze on the top of the screen where you'll see the Edit Site Header option. Click on this option as it allows you to access the settings for your site's header, which includes the navigation bar. The header is the first thing visitors see, and it's crucial to make a solid first impression. After opening the site header options, you'll want to click directly on the navigation bar itself. This area is typically distinguished by its location towards the top of your website page, showcasing different menu items directed to various parts of your site. Clicking here unveils further options, allowing detailed customization. Next, look for a small pencil icon, generally symbolizing the edit mode. Selecting this icon will let you make direct modifications to the navigation items. This is an excellent time to rethink the order of your links. Use this feature to prioritize pages you want visitors to see first, or consider renaming certain items to enhance clarity. To finish off, feel free to rearrange the pages by simply dragging and dropping them into your desired sequence. This drag and drop feature makes the task simple and straightforward, giving you complete control over how your site's navigation is structured. Once you've adjusted everything to your liking, your updates will immediately reflect on your live site, making it easier for visitors to navigate. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully adjusted your Squarespace navigation bar all within a few minutes. Until next time, happy editing.